problem comes from our Comparing Bits and Pieces unit, and we are looking at unit rate and equivalent ratios. It says, if Ariel reads 10 pages in 15 minutes, how long does it take her to read 40 pages? So looking at this, I can automatically tell this is going to be an equivalent ratios problem, because I know that for every 10 pages Ariel reads, it takes her 15 minutes. And I need to find an equivalent ratio to figure out how long it's going to take her to read 40 pages. So I'm going to start with the ratio that I know. So the ratio I know is that she reads 10 pages, and the label is very important here. So 10 pages to 15 minutes. That's the ratio that I know to be true. And then I need to write down the partial ratio that they give me. So I want to know how long does it take her to read 40 pages. So this is where labels are very important. I know that I want to put my 40 pages underneath my 10 pages. So I want to know, okay, if 10 pages take 15 minutes, 40 pages take how many minutes? So ratios have very important relationships. So I know that whatever I do to get from one part to another part on this side, I can do the same thing to get from this part to the missing part that I'm looking for. So equally, you could go the other way. I could say, okay, how I get from this part is how I could get to this part. Okay, how I get from 10 to 15 is how I get from 40 to this missing piece. And of course, we're always using multiplication or division to define these relationships. So this looks like a friendlier relationship to me, because I know that to get from 10 to 40, I can multiply by 4. So that means I can multiply this 15 minutes also by 4, and I find out 15 times 4 is 60 minutes. So that means that it will take 60 minutes for Ariel to read 40 pages.